Chapter 4, Exploring Algebraic Identities. Exploring algebraic identities. Listen here. Pen down and close your copy and listen here. Very simple, very, very important chapter. This is very, very important. Okay? Listen. X plus 2. X plus 2 is called dash. X plus 2 is called polynomial expression. Why it is what type of polynomial it is? Linear polynomial. Degree 1. Degree 1. So it is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear. Clear? Linear polynomial. X square minus 3 is also a polynomial. What type of polynomial it is? What type of polynomial? Take polynomial because degree 2. Degree 2. And if this equal to 0 is called equation. It is called equation. X squared minus 3 equal to 0 is called equation. This polynomial expression is equal to something, then it is called equation. And this equation is an identity. This equation is an identity. The two equations are given. One is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Another is x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. And these two expressions are identities. Anyone? Is these two equations are identities? Anyone? So what is equation and what is identity? Listen. Listen. Identity is an equation. Identity is an equation. Identity is an equation. And it is true for all values of variables occurring in it. All values of variables occurring in it. But equation, in the case of equation, it is not true for all values of variables occurring in it. Means here x plus 2 is equal to 0. Put x equal to 1. What is the answer? True or false? Put x equal to 2. Answer is 4. 4 equal to 0. True or false? Put x equal to minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2. 0 equal to 0. It is true. Means this expression is true only for one value of x. That is x equal to minus 2. And it is not true for all other values. So this is equation. It is equation. But identity, that is true for all values of variables. That is true for all values of variable. That is the difference between identity and equation. Identity is an equation, but equation is not an identity. Equation is not an identity. But all identities are equation. But all equations are not an identity. X squared minus 3. Put x equal to 3. Answer. Put x equal to 3. What is the answer? 6. Not true. Put x equal to root 3. Root 3. Root 3 ka square. 3 minus 3. 0. This true. Minus root 3. Minus root 3 ka square. 3. 3 minus 3. 0. It is also true. Put x is equal to 5. Not true. False. So not true for all values. Here it is true for only two values. One is root 3 and other is minus root 3. So it is not an identity. It is not an identity. Next. A plus B whole square. Answer is A square plus 2AB plus B square. हम ये चेक कर सकते हैं. It is an identity. It is an why? It is true for all values of A and B. कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर दो A और B का, फिर चेक कर दो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, ये हमेशा क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं. मैं कह दिया A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. पुट कर दो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 1 plus 2 whole square. और राइट हैंड साइड में 1 square 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 3 का square 9. 1 plus 4 plus 4 9 equal to 2 आ रहा है. अब पुट कर दो A is equal to 1, कोई भी कर सकते हैं. B equal to minus 1, कोई भी कर दो. पुट कर दो. व्हाट इज आंसर? 1 minus 1 1 square plus 2 into 1 into minus 1 और minus 1 का square. 1 minus 1 0 square. 1 square 2 into 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 का square. 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 0 equal to 0. So it is true for all values of A and B. कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर देखो, it is always true. It is always, so it is called what? Identity. It is called identity. So difference clear? Equation or identity. Equation that is not true for all values, but identity that is true for all values of variables occurring in it, in that equation. Clear? Clear? Second. Now listen. The first identity, this chapter is about identity. Okay, that is the first identity. A plus B whole square. We can prove this A plus B all squared here two methods. One is by algebraically we can prove, then other method is by geometrically. Algebraically and geometrically. Listen here, the both method. Now the first proof, the algebraic proof, that is distributive law. What is the meaning of A plus B whole square? A plus B into A plus B. You have to multiply 2 times. A plus B into A plus B. Multiply A plus B 2 times. That is A plus B whole square. A plus B into A plus B. A plus B whole square. Now distributive law. First term A into A plus B. Next plus B into, this is called distributive law. Multiply the first term of the first number of the first term with the second term plus second number of the first term with the second term. Second term. By A into A plus B plus B into A plus B. Now open the bracket. Open the bracket. Bracket open. Bracket open. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. Open means multiplication. Open the bracket. Bracket open. A into A square. A into A square plus A into B, AB plus B into A, AB, B into B, B square. It is A square plus AB plus AB, 2AB plus B. The first identity, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear identity? This is, we can prove by algebraically. Okay? This is algebra method. Okay? A plus B into A plus B, apply distributive. Now, how to prove geometrically A plus B whole square? Listen. For this, we can prove this by using a square. By using a square. This method is clear? Read out. Okay. So how to prove the same by algebraically? So take a draw a square. A square. Now listen. Suppose A, B, C, D is a square. In this square, the length of this portion is A. That is A, B, C, D, E. A to E. What is the answer? A, B. Sorry, A. Or E to D, B. What is the length of the side of the square? Either say the length. That is A plus. The clear है सबको? A plus. अगर A plus B, it is also, because in a square all the sides are, this also A plus, and it is also, and this is square. अगर A plus B है तो ये length कितना होगा? A, and it is B. It is B, and it is A. Or this one A. This square divided into 4 parts. Huh? This is first part, and it is second, and it is third, and it is fourth. 4 parts. Huh? 4 different parts. What is the shape of the bigger part? Square. And area, we can find the area of the square. So what is area of square? Area of square is equal to side square, है ना, side square, and area of which square? ABC. Area of the square is equal to, and what is the length of the side here? A plus B. So this A plus B whole square. ठीक है? A plus B whole square. This part is clear. Of check the figure. What is the shape of the figure 1? Square. What is the side of this square? What is the side of the square 1? So what is the area of the figure 1? A square. What is the shape of the figure 2? Right? Yeah, rectangle. Figure 2 means it's a rectangle. Okay. Like this is the G H. Right. Now, what is the figure shape? G. What is the figure 2? Length into breadth. What is the length? A. Breadth. B. A into B. What is the area of the figure 3? Length into breadth. That is also AB. And what is this side? B. And it's also B. What is the area of this figure 4? B square. B. B square. There are steps. Next. Again. Area of square ABCD is equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3 plus area of figure 4. Area of figure 4. Area of figure 4. Area of square ABCD. A plus B from equation 1. Area of figure 1. A square. Area of figure 2. AB. Area of figure 3. AB. Area of figure 4. B square. So A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus, this is geometrical proof. Yeah, algebraically we can prove, and this is geometrical proof. Clear? Yeah, algebra method and it is geometric method. Clear? So a note kar do. Chapter Exploring Algebraic Identities, chapter number 4. First question, right on. What is the difference between equation and identity? What is the difference between equation and identity? What is the difference between equation and identity? Right. Identity is an equation. Identity is an equation. That is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. All values of variables occurring in it, comma, while in equation while equation is not true for all values. While equation is not true, while equation is not true for all values. Clear? Meaning clear? Identity that is true for all values. Next, first identity. Write on the first identity. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. First, prove by algebra method, and second case you want to prove this is by geometrical method. In both method you have to prove. First this method, second by drawing square. Expand the following using the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Question number 1. 2x plus 3y whole square. Which identity have to apply here? So first write on that. In all questions you have to write identity. First write on the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2x plus 3y whole square. In this question, what is the value of a? 2x. What is the value of b? 3y. A is equal to 2x. B is equal to 3y. Substitute 2x whole square to a 2x b 3y plus 3y whole square. I didn't bracket, okay? ब्रैकेट का मतलब ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या क्या चीजें सबका स्क्वायर करना आपको, ठीक है? सो व्हाट इज 2x होल स्क्वायर? 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into 2 into 3 plus 9y square. There, 9y. Question number 2. X by 2 plus y by 4 whole square. X by 2 plus y by 2 whole square. Which identity? So write down first identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In this case, what is the value of a? Just like the x by 2 plus y by 4 whole square. X by 2 whole square plus 2 into a x by 2 b plus y by 4 whole square is equal to x squared divided by 4 plus, देखो टू कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, पहले कैंसिल कर दो, ठीक है, पहले कैंसिल, अगर पॉसिबल है तो कैंसिल कर दो और मल्टीप्लाई कर दो x इंटू वाई, एक्स और डिनोमिनेटर में 4 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 60, वाई स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 60, ठीक है स्टेप्स क्लियर। एक और लिख दो क्वेश्चन, x by 3 plus y by 5 whole square. Homework NCRT page number 71, exercise 4.1, question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 and